Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Skin 101. Today we are going to be creating a sweat proof, smudge proof, waterproof, mask proof, everything proof kind of makeup today. So you can wear this look to any weddings, parties, night outs. Basically, you can wear this look for a whole day. That's not going to smudge, budge, or anything. So if you like this look, please keep on watching. Let's get into the video. Let's start with the base. So if you want a good long lasting base, you should always start your base makeup with an ice cube. Just rub the ice cube all over your face. Before that, I'm going to be applying the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. I'm just moisturizing my face. This moisturizer is so good. This is the third or fourth time I'm using it. So far, so good. It's very moisturizing. At the same time, it doesn't leave that sticky feeling and oily feeling. So it looks matte after applying. It gets absorbed into the skin so quick. So it's such a nice, great moisturizer. So the next step is going to be ice cube. I'm taking the ice cube, running all over my face. Just if you have a paper towel, just take the paper towel and just blot your face. Remove the excess water from the face and air dry it. The next step is you have to use a oil controlled fixing spray. This one is from Makeup Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. This is brilliant one, you guys. You need this in your life if you have oily skin. So I'm using this as a primer and also as a finishing spray, and also in between you're going to see. I'm using this sugar translucent setting powder to set the makeup setting spray or remove any excess moisture which we had with the moisturizer. So take a little bit of loose powder and just add a layer. This step ensures there's no oil left on your face. For color correction, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Cushion Corrector in the shade Orange. This is a crucial step if you have darkness anywhere on your face, in the acne marks. Taking the loose powder again and setting the orange corrector. One more time with the powder. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, oil free one. This foundation I'm going to be using for the first time today, but I heard great reviews about these. They are so long lasting, so matte. I heard great reviews about these, so I got it in two shades actually. One I got, I wanted 110 shade, but I felt it's a little bit darker for me, so I bought 108. So let's just mix and match and try to make it my shade. I'm first taking 110. First, let me just swatch this foundation alone in my jawline, whether this will suit me or not. I think this will suit me. This shade alone will suit me. Yeah, I don't have to mix it with the 108, I think. So, okay, let's just use only 108. I mean 110. I'm using the 110 cream cafe shade alone on my face now because the color seems to be okay for me. Pretty good coverage it gives. pretty good match also to my skin tone. If you are my skin tone, NC45, NC44.5, this shade is perfect for you. Oh my god, I just love the coverage and the finish. It's so matte. I love matte foundations because I have combination skin, and after applying makeup I tend to get more oily. This foundation is so amazing, man. This just covered everything up. Just love it. Instant review, guys. This is so amazing. Also, this foundation is so affordable. Okay, I'm enjoying this. I'm going to be using the 108 shade from the same foundation, the lighter shade foundation. I'm going to be using it for highlighting. I'm not going to be using any concealers to highlight today. Let's see how it performs. I'm using the K Beauty's eyeshadow pencil crayon in the shade Plush. I applied it all over my eyelids. Under the crease, I'm taking a smudger brush. This one is from pack 117 brush, 114 brush. I'm just blending out the edges, harsh edges of the eyeshadow. Lash line as well. Okay, so I'm going to be topping my eyeshadow with the liquid eyeshadow by Nicka K. This is in the shade Earthly Bronzite. This is also really waterproof. I'm just adding it on the centers, dabbing it with my fingers. Dab. This one, I think it's somewhere around 250 or something. If you are a beginner and you wanted a glitter eyeshadow, this one is your best friend. Get this one. If you want, you can apply eyeliner. I'm using the pack double volume mascara. Our makeup is almost complete. At this point of time, I'm going to be taking my makeup fixing spray. So this step is very important because this step is going to lock all your makeup into the skin. Also, it's going to remove all the powderiness from your skin. So always do your lip liner in case you're doing a darker lip, so that there will be precise line. So I'm using the K Beauty lip liner in the shade Fame. This is a very famous lip pencil. I love it. If you're my skin tone, this lip liner is a must for you. If you have this one lip liner, you can use any nude lipstick in this world. So get one brown lip liner, and this one is so good. You can get this. Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade 05 Tan Halen. And I love the shade. Oh my god, just look at the shade. It feels so creamy, glides on your lips so well. My lips are actually really dry right now. I didn't apply any lip balm underneath, but this lipstick glides so smooth. Also looks so matte. Oh my god, this is transfer proof. I just applied it and in few seconds there's no transfer at all. Okay guys, that's it. This is my finished look.